How's it going, everybody? Welcome back to Elvis Junction Reviews. Today we're going to be reviewing our first Rivarossi product on the channel. We are looking at a Rivarossi Pennsylvania 50-foot sliding door boxcar without roof walk. Like I said, this is a Rivarossi, so you can see there's a Rivarossi box, has a big American flag on it, and big RR for Rivarossi. I believe Rivarossi is an Italian company, if I'm correct, and that's pretty cool because I am of Italian descent, so that's pretty cool. As you can see, not a lot of packaging for this, not even a diagram of anything. So here's our little clamshell, and there is our boxcar, just like that. Okay, let's get into some detail, starting with the front/back. Alrighty, so as you can see, this car is pretty on par with Walther's mainline. There's not a lot of detail, but there's basic detail, and that's really what matters. Starting at the top here, we have our brake wheel, which then connects to this giant pole, which then goes down into the brakes, and this is how you would put a parking brake on the boxcar. We have a step ladder that goes from the top of the car down to the bottom here. We have a bad order board. We have a grab iron right here, and we have our number PRR 607527. And here is our metal KD coupler. This, I'm pretty sure, was installed by my friend. This is my friend's boxcar. He's let me review this, just like the GP9 and another product that you'll see in a future video. It's pretty much the same on the other side, minus the brake wheel. There's our step ladder, our reporting marks, our bad order board, the coupler, and the grab iron. All right, so let's look at the side. Not a lot of detail going on here on the side here, but there is some detail. We have some grab irons right here, as well as a step right here. Here it says Pennsylvania and PRR 607527, and we have our capacity and load limits here. And this, I believe, is when it was built, is PR 57.6 of 65. So I believe, I don't know what the 57 part is. The P57 might be the serial or like the class that this boxcar might be. I'm probably wrong, but 665, that is June of 1965. Moving along to the door here, guess what? The door slides open, and look, yeah, I probably shouldn't have done that. But anyway, you can actually see inside, and there is a little bit of detail. You can see fake wood, because that's just plastic, and there's probably a weight under there. But anyway, these doors do slide just like that. There we go. Moving off to the side here, here's the lovely PRR logo. We have some more details right here, and I believe this is what the car is. It's an X-50-B, if I'm correct. And here's a step ladder that works down to this step right here. That's my hand. There we go. Step ladder, and there is that step right there, X-50-B. Built in 1957, so it was in November of 1957, so it was probably upgraded and the walkway removed in June of 65. All right, so let's get into my final thoughts. So this is a solid C+ in my opinion. I've never actually known any this is my first Rivarossi product that I've ever reviewed, so I really don't know what to expect from Rivarossi. But from what I've seen this run on a layout before, so I know it runs pretty well. And I know that my friend, he's taking very good care of this car. He's fixed it, or he's had friends fix it, and it looks fine to me. It basically is on par with a Walther's mainline car, and Walther's mainline, those are pretty good, like B- in my opinion. So this definitely is good. It just needs a little bit extra detail, and I really wish that that was the case. But anyway, if you enjoyed this video, please hit that like button. Also subscribe if you have not, and hit the notification bell to know when I upload. I upload on Mondays and Fridays at 9 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, so check in at those times. And thank you very much for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.